Look at my huge doll collection. I made each one a unique look out of squishies. There's a giant mystery dumpling, a smaller one, a butter squishy, an ice cream one, all sorts of things. Let's pick one at random to start with. And it's gonna be Rumi! Yay, I'm off to craft! Oh wait, let's find you a squishy first. This is a paw squishy, but one won't be enough. Let's make more using the kit. Let's see what's in the box. 2-part liquid silicone, dye in different colors, a measuring cup, and a silicone mold. Take a bit of petroleum jelly and coat the inside of the mold. Fill the syringes with silicone parts A and B. Add purple dye and mix it up. Pour it into the mold, but only fill the paw pads. We just need to wait a bit for the silicone to set. Meanwhile, do not waste time. Let's make the base for the dress. Trace the bodysuit pattern onto fabric and cut out 2 matching pieces. Now we need to sew them together. Perfect, let's try it on Rumi. Let's make the skirt. We've got a printout for this. Draw a big circle and cut it out. Fold it in half, cut out the middle, and make a slit on the side so it's easy to put on. Seal the slit. Great, time to get back to the paw. Mix the silicone parts, add pink dye and neon powder, and pour it into the mold. Once the gel's dried, carefully separate the paw from the mold. It's still really stretchy, so it'll hold up well. Stick squishies onto the skirt. Let's add more sparkle. Which rhinestones should we pick? Oh, perfect! Apply glue to the skirt and fill the gaps between the paws with gems. Stick another squishy on the top. Decorate it with rhinestones. And we'll turn these cute little bears into earrings. That looks amazing! Decorate the hairstyle with squishies and put tall pink boots on her feet. Everything's great, but the shoes don't quite match the outfit. Let's repaint the white laces purple and glue a mini squishy on top. Wow, what an awesome look this turned out to be! Everything's so soft and so cute. Just amazing! Who's next? Ah, cowgirl Jessie! Yay, I'm ready! Great, let's find something for you too. Wow, a mystery dumpling! This is gonna make an awesome look. Take some shiny blue fabric and trace the pattern onto it. Cut out 2 pieces and sew them together on one side so it's easy to put on. Time to try it on. Take off our old clothes, don't need them anymore, and put on our bodysuit. Perfect! Make a little sleeve from this piece. Sew along the edge, gather it, and put it on one arm. Time to grab our mystery dumpling. It's too bulky, so we'll cut it open and drain out all the gel. We're left with just the shell. Pour in blue glitter. Mix it well, and cut a slit down the middle so it fits over the doll. That's our skirt. So cute. We'll add a ruffle of white ribbon at the waist. Put boots on her feet, and decorate those with ruffles too. We've got one more mini dumpling. Draw a face on it, sprinkle it with blue glitter, and put it on the head like a little hat. No, actually the ruffles don't work here. What a sweet look. Made from a mystery dumpling. I love it so much. Time to pick the next doll. Who's it gonna be? Yay, Zoey! And we'll make her outfit from butter squishies. Wow, I love butter squishies! Perfect, let's start with the pattern. Trace our pattern, cut out the top, and sew it. Decorate it with a butter print. Make a base from craft foam, and add lettering. Pour gel polish into a letter mold, cure it under a lamp, color it with a blue marker, and coat it with pearl powder. Arrange the lettering onto the top. Now the skirt. Take our butter squishy and cut it out. Make a fabric base and wrap the butter squishy around it. The skirt's ready! Let's decorate the buns. And to make the look more convincing, make some drips out of hot glue. Let it dry and color it yellow, just like melting butter. Add another layer of hot glue on the side. Match the shoes to the dress too. Such an incredibly bright and beautiful look! I think this is exactly Zoey's style. Just look at it, everything's so soft, just like real butter. I think it turned out just amazing. What should we pick first, the squishy or the doll? Let's go with the squishy this time. Let's see what we get. Wow, what a bear! It stretches so much! And it's even got a cute bow. I love this fuzzy texture. Now let's pick the doll. Let's see. Yeah, you'll be perfect. Look what your outfit's gonna be made from. I love it so much. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Wow, what a cutie. But I'm gonna have to cut it open. Oh no, I don't wanna watch. First, cut off the bottom. Whoa, now we can turn it inside out and cut out the pieces we need. Time to try it on. You can open your eyes now. Phew. First, let's take off the cloak. Swap out this top for one made of squishy. Let's decorate the middle with a bow. So cute. We've got some material left. Let's cut 2 pieces and make little sleeves. What should we make the skirt from? No, that's not it. This isn't either. Oh, this piece will work. Sew it up. Perfect. All right, we've still got some legs left. What should we make with those? Right, let's turn them into shoes. They match the dress perfectly. Decorate the bow with a little star, put a rhinestone choker on her neck, and make a belt from a shoelace. Let's decorate that with rhinestones too. Something's still missing. I know, let's add yellow thread laces to the shoes. Now the look is complete. Dress made from a fluffy squishy. Wow, you're such a beauty. Almost as cute as that bear. Just need to put the head on now. Yep, exactly. Okay, I'm just kidding. This look is just amazing. Thank you. I love it too. Squishy or doll? Let's pick both at once. That's me. We got Mira and a pink NeeDoh. That's awesome. Pull out all our squishy. Look how pliable it is. Let's make you an outfit out of it. But first, we need to let the gel out. Squeeze out all the filling, so we're left with just the shell. Cut it into little squares. On the first one, we lay out the word NeeDoh in rhinestones and put it on like a top. Looks amazing! We'll make the skirt from a longer piece. Put it on Mira, coat it with hairspray, and sprinkle glitter on top. Pretty, and nothing shows through. I've got some white lace ruffle here. Cut it in half and make a peplum. Add a little belt, a bow, and voila! The dress is ready. Just missing some accessories. Let's put a NeeDoh choker on her neck. Oops, the shoes don't match. What should we swap them for? Well, these don't match the color. These don't match the style, but we can fix that. Lali magic! And voila! Put them on. Perfect match. And there's the sweet, beautiful NeeDoh look we made. She's got this cute little dress. Simply stunning. Exactly Mira's style. We did an amazing job. This look is just gorgeous. Thanks, LaLiLu. Time to pick again. Let's start with the doll. Let's see. Oh, only Lali's left. Hi there! And here we've got a bowl of Orbeez. They feel so nice. How do we make an outfit out of these? Oh, I've got it. We'll need some nano tape. Pour some Orbeez onto a paper towel and blot them to remove the extra water. Cut 2 pieces of nano tape and pour Orbeez between them. Seal the tape, and the Orbeez are trapped inside. Make several more of these. Trim them and peel off the backing. And we've got our pieces ready. Lali loves everything pink, so sprinkle these with pink glitter. That gives us a great top. Prep the rest of the pieces the same way and make a skirt out of them. So soft. Let's swap out the sleeves too. Sprinkle nano tape with blue glitter and make the sleeves. Decorate the outfit with light blue rhinestones. Put a sparkly choker on her neck and boots on her feet. And there's the Orbeez look we made. She's got a pink outfit all covered in glitter. Exactly her style. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I love it too. It's totally your style. Today we made 6 incredible squishy-inspired looks. Rumi's cute dress made from Paw Squishies, Jessie's unique outfit made from a mystery dumpling, Zoey's bright look made from a butter squishy, Mira's sweet dress made from NeeDoh, and Lali's amazing outfit made from Orbeez. Let us know in the comments which look you liked the best, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new episodes. Bye-bye!